going on? It's your boy Sko 910, and I'm back with another video. As you see by the title, had to get me some waterproof shoes to pressure wash in. Yes, because ever since I started my business in May of 2021, I done went through some shoes. When I say go through some shoes, went through some shoes, I mean by my feet getting wet, then my shoes starting to stink, so I had to sit them outside. And by the time I put them back on, they still wet inside, so it was like a stinky situation. So I got a couple pair of shoes outside now, by the door, but I'll probably insert a clip of them right now and show y'all they outside by the door. So I finally went to go get me some boots because it's cold. One thing is cold, and I still been pressure washing the cold, and it's not a good feeling when your feet get wet and cold at the same time. So that really make you not want to pressure wash when your feet get wet and cold. So last time I be out there with my slides on and socks, because I rather for my slides and my socks get wet than my tennis shoes, you know what I mean? So I'm out there in slides, and I was like, gotta be something better. So I went out today. Well, I didn't go get them. My wife went and got them for me today, cause I got me another job tomorrow too, another restaurant job, another commercial job. So she went and got me some boots. They had a couple pairs. She showed me, she went video chatted with me so I could see what they had. They had a couple pairs. You know, I want to get some as high as I can, so you know, the higher the better. So I'm about to show y'all what I got. One pair, two pair, and some boots too. Alright, so here are the boots that I got. Some white. These are actually strength boots. Walmart special, size 10. And can you see on the back? A strength boot. So yeah, I'm about to try these out tomorrow and see how they do. Like I said, I had to give me some inserts because without them, you feel like you can touch the bottom. So that's what the insert look like. So got me some inserts. Back in there. If y'all want to know what kind of inserts I got, hold on. Here's the brand I got. Herman Survivors heavy duty extra support insoles. But yeah, we're gonna break these things in tomorrow and see how they work. So I'll probably do me a boot review later on, and then you know, a couple months down the line, we're gonna see how the boots are still looking. Hopefully they can last a while. They got some good thick soles on them, so hopefully they do good. Cause I seen some dudes with them extra tough turf type of shoes they just having, and their insoles and like they look like sneakers, so their bottoms are get wore down real quick. So hopefully I did good on the first pair of me buying my boots. So yeah, this your boy, Skull 910. Sign out till next time. Peace.